Hello everyone. So once again welcoming you back in the journey of Python Revision Tour 2, and you can see we are done with so many videos, right? So we have covered all the topics from the chapter, and along with that we did some output based questions. Some few questions are left from output based, so I thought of creating a video so that you will be able to cover all the questions of type B. So the book which this is again I am repeating, the book which I am following for the question is the Sumita Arora book for grade 12. So most of the schools are following the same only. Some are following Preeti Arora, but I feel this is my personal opinion. Like the questions which are given in Sumita Arora is much better than that. Okay, but no problem. Anything is okay because the curriculum is same only. So well, I have covered the portion from Sumita Arora. So this is our part 13. So let us start. This is our next question and the output one. What will be the output of the following code snippet? One dictionary is given here. You know it's a data structure which is one empty dictionary. This is one empty dictionary they have created. Then we have my dictionary, and one element is assigned to this particular key. So the key is actually a tuple, right? So one value they have assigned here. This is the second value and the third value. So actually with respect to this only, they are just trying to make you a little confused. So you should be clear with the, with the syntax of the dictionary. So the name of the dictionary is my dictionary. So with respect to the first statement, when they will assign the value, so my dictionary is equal to, the values are in curly braces, and then the first is the key. So this is the key, right? This is the key, and the right hand side is for the value of it. So the key is 124. So key is 124, and I will also write as a tuple only, and the value will come after column. This is a key value pair, right? Key value pair in case of dictionary. So the value is 8. Now you will put a comma, and then again the second statement 421, and the value is 10. Then the key is 12 and the value is 12. So well, these all three values they have stored into one dictionary variable. Then we have sum is equals to 0 and k in my dictionary. So this is our dictionary which we have created with the help of our three statements. And then we have to find the sum. So sum is equal to, if they are writing my underscore dish and k. So k is actually going to work with respect to the key. So this will actually keep the key of the dictionary, right? And then sum is equal to sum plus. So the initial value of sum is 0 plus my underscore dish and k. The first value is 8. So this is 8. Then again the thing will be repeated. So sum is equal to, now sum is 8 plus the next value is 10. Then the things will be repeated. This is equal to 18. And then 18 plus the next value is 12, which is equals to 30. So when the compiler will come out, at that time we are displaying the output. So the final output of this question is the sum value, which is 30, right? And in the next statement they are displaying the dictionary. So this is the dictionary, you will get it. Okay, so first you will get 30 and then all the elements of the dictionary. So that's the expected output of this output based question. Now moving to the next question, again we have one more program here. Write a method in Python to display the elements of the list thrice if it is a number, and display the elements terminated with hash if it is not a number. For example, if the content of the list is as shown below. So the list is 41, Ron, Giriraj, 13, Zara, and the output would be what they are saying. If it is a number, then we have to display it thrice. Okay, so this is a number, so this will display 3 times. Thrice means 3 times, 1, 2, 3. And if it is not a number, drawn is a string, it's not a number. So in that case, you have to add a hash sign at the end of it. So Giriraj is also a string, then 13 is a number, so thrice, and Zara is also a string, so they are just adding a hash sign here. So well, this is a practical stuff. We have to write a small code for this. This is not looking like an output based question, but no problem. Let me open Python. So I'm just going to the file, and what they are saying, they are just asking us to go for a list. So the list is 41, Ron, Giriraj, and 13. 41 list is 41, drawn, D-R-O-N-D, drawn, Giriraj, then 13, okay, and then Zara. Okay, well, 13 also is a string only, so you have to give it in single quotes, and then Zara. So this is done, and then the closing of the list. So list is done. Now you have to work on the individual element of the list, and what they are asking if it is a digit. So first you have to separate all the digit. So if you remember, there is a function in string which is digit. Okay, there is a built-in function. Let me write it down. Function built-in function which is list, and this is going to check like if the the particular string is a digit or not. So if it is a digit, then we have to display it thrice. Well, we have to traverse a list first, so for I, in, and then list, right? Because we have to work with the element, so in range function is not required. Now if I have written I here, that means it is going to work first for the first element, then second, then third, fourth, 5. So first we have to check it's a digit or not. So what I'll do, if condition and I dot is digit, we discussed is digit function is used to check whether the element is a digit or not. So if it is a digit, then you have to display it thrice. So in that case, you can work with repetition operator, okay, or replication operator of a string. Replication operator. So this replication operator will help you to replicate. So that multiply, replication operator is multiply, okay, this one asterisk. So by this you will be able to display thrice or any number of times. So the element is I and you want to display it 3 times. So this will give you the correct thing. And now else is if it is a string or anything else. If it is not a digit, else means if it is not a digit, in that case we have to add a hash at the end. So the value is inside I. So I am updating with I plus, and at the end I am adding one hash sign, and then I am printing it. Okay, so I am printing the value of I. So well, this is looking like correct only. You can check I am adding with hash. So we are displaying the value of I. So let me check it is working or not. We can run this code. I'm going to save it on the desktop somewhere. So this is question QU, okay, ES, right? And yes, it's okay, well, yeah, that was my requirement. So this is working perfectly, right? Again, you can check I into 3 is a replication operator. So if it is a digit, like first one, you can check 41 is a digit, right? So if it is a digit, then the compiler will allow, the condition will allow the compiler to go inside and will, replicate that particular value thrice. So the value of I is 41. So thrice means 3 times, 41, 41, 41. And next time it is drawn. So drawn is a digit, no, then it will go to the else block and will add one hash and will display the word and with a hash sign. So the same process will be repeated for all the elements of the list, and you are done. Okay, this is quite easy. That's what it is given, I think, in output based question. Otherwise it is not one output based question. It is what? It is one program. A small program is there, but they are just asking you to write the function. Okay, well, next to this is the output based question. Name the function or method required to check if a string contains only uppercase letter. So string contains uppercase letter. So again, a predefined function or a built-in function is going to help you for the same. So you have to check for uppercase letters. So there is a function called is upper. Okay, so you just str dot is upper. Okay, everything in small only, and it is a function, so parentheses are must. So str, if I am considering a string contains, right? So string I am considering as str. So str dot upper will check whether the string or a character is in uppercase or not. Now gives the total length of a list. That is len function only. I think in so many questions we used it. So len of a list. So it gives the total length of a list. So you can just write a list variable here. So well, the name is not mentioned as such, so I am using list, right? len function is used to define the list. So I'll show you now the thing which is given in the book also. these all questions we covered, right? We started from where? We started from here only, the type B questions you can see. This is for grade 12. And we started from here, the first part, first question with all parts actually. Then second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, the last two videos actually are based on the output based questions only. And we covered all the questions from 1 to 12. Okay, so 1 to 12, all the questions are done. And in the next video, we are going to start with type 3 questions, which is the programming part. Okay, so till then, bye. And if you like the video, if you understood the parts, please don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to share with your friends. Thank you. Bye.